Hello, Minnesota educators. It's Representative Mary Kunesh-Podein. I'm a state legislator representing District 41B, but when I'm not here at the House, I am a teacher. I'm a library media specialist at a middle school in Robbinsdale. And so I absolutely could not let this week go by without a shout out to all of the teachers in Minnesota who are working so hard, so creatively, so diligently to stay connected to their students, to the families, to create engaging lessons and opportunities to continue learning. We couldn't do this without what you're doing. And so I, for one, want to thank you, and I know the rest of the legislature does as well. We are working really hard here at the Capitol to ensure that you have the resources that you're going to need when we start off in the fall. That means that there is technology assistance, that there are resources that are there for you. And we want to make sure that our hourly workers come back too, so we're working hard for them. So one more time, thank you, teachers. Thank you for all the work that you do. I know the behind the scenes. I see the work that you're doing in front of the scenes, and I want to thank you so much. Stay safe, stay healthy, and we'll see you in the fall.